Hello everyone, welcome to the another tutorial of Python for beginners. Today our topic is comparison with other programming languages. In the previous video we have learned about these types or data types. These are called types or data types. There is integer, float, double, character, string. These are the most commonly used data types. There are more than that, but these are the most commonly used. So let's see Python is easier compared to other languages or not. In Python we can write like this: a equals to 5. Okay, we can write like this, but in the previous languages we cannot write like a equals to 5. We need to use the data type or type integer a equals to 5, then you need to use semicolon. Okay, so this is the syntax of previous languages, but in Python we can write just like this, or we can write 5.0 like this. But in the previous languages we need to write float here, float a equals to 5.0. okay, if we write integer here in the previous languages, it will give you an error because this is a floating point number or float, but we have used integer here, that's why it will give an error. Okay, but in Python we can just write like this 5.0. we can also write string here, we can also write character here, we can write anything here. We need not to use data types or types. Okay, this is the main easy way of Python. There is also one thing, you don't need to use here semicolon. You can use it, it will not give you an error, but you can also remove that. We don't need to use here semicolon. Okay, so let me show you. A equals to 5, then print a, it will give 5. Then if we use semicolon here, it will also work. Print a, okay, it will also work here. So this will not give you an error. This is also one easy way of Python. So Python is more simple than other programming languages, and it is easier to learn, easier to write. So this is the basic difference between Python and other programming languages. Hope you understand. If it helps you, please like the video, subscribe, and click the bell icon. Bye for now. Thank you so much.